All right, so this is going to be function 3. So I'm still in the function area. We added a little bit to our game logic last video. So this is going to be function 3, getting a guess. So we need to create the function, and this is going to be called getGuess. And the parameter is going to be already guessed. So we want to check if a player foolishly picks the same letter that they already have chosen. Okay, so this is going to allow a return of a letter that a player guesses. The function also checks if already chosen. Okay? So I'm just going to make this a little bit longer so we can see everything. All right, so while true, let's move my mouse a little bit over. So while true, we're going to have the guess variable equal input, guess a letter, and we want to attach lower to this. And we're just going to print the guess right here. Okay, just so that we can see that it's working. So we're going to comment this out after testing. Okay, so we're going to get guess in the game logic, and that's going to be equal to guess. So guess equals get guess. And inside the parameters is going to be the missed letters plus the correct letters. And this is our call of function 3. Okay? Okay, so I'm not getting assigning function to a call, which doesn't return. Okay, so I need to return guess here. All right, so I'm going to run this so I can guess a letter R, T, H. Okay, so this is now working. So I'm going to comment this out. I'm going to comment out return guess so that I know that it is officially working. Okay. All right, so now if guess in secret word, it's going to have the correct letters, and it's going to equal the correct letters plus the guess. So found all letters is going to equal true. Oop, sorry about that. Let's erase this. I'm jumping ahead. Jumping ahead of the game. All right, so we commented out both return guess and the print. So now we're in the right area. So if len does not equal to 1, so that means that you guessed a guess that was not equal to one letter. print, enter a single letter. We're also going to have an elif here, so guess in already guessed, print, you guessed this letter already. And then the last one is elif guess not in, and this one's cool. You get to write out the ABCs. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Print, guess a letter, and then else, return guess. So what this is going to do is, if the guess is already chosen, it's going to alert you that you've already chosen that letter. If it is not a letter that is only 1 in length, then it's going to tell you to enter a single letter. And then if you choose to put in a number, it's going to tell you that it's not in that list of A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Otherwise, you're going to be able to get a guess. So let's take a look at this logic. So I'm going to save this, and I'm going to run it. Wow, this is going to be a short one. Okay, so it says it's going to be frog. So do you see how it's not a missed letter? Let's put in P. That makes sense. P is not in frog. Are you guys starting to see how this is going to work? Pretty cool stuff. Okay. All right, so at this point, we want to finish up the last function. Okay, so I'm going to end this part, and after this part, we're going to actually get this game rolling, and we're going to continue with that while true block at the very end. It gets the most complicated here, where there's lots of different if, and then there's another if conditional nested inside there, then there's another elif, and it starts to get really complex. So if you get stuck, please pause part 4. So this is part 3. Make sure that your part 3 looks like this, and then we'll get right into part 4 next.